How to delete all posts on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can delete all the posts at once on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to delete all posts at once on Facebook, it's actually very simple to do so. Go ahead and first of all make sure to launch your Facebook application here, and then make sure that you're signed into your account. Tap the profile icon in order to come to your profile page, and when you come to the profile page, tap the three dots option located over here. And as you've done that, you want to simply go to the option called Manage Post. And when you go to Manage Post, here you should be able to see a list of all the posts that you've created. Now, just make sure to select the post that you would like to delete, right? We're going to delete them all at once. So just go ahead and select all of these posts that you want to delete. After you do that, at the bottom right, you'll find this little trash icon that says delete. So make sure to tap the delete option and then tap the delete post option, and all of the posts will get deleted on your Facebook account at once. That's all it takes to delete all posts on Facebook at once. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.